Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a dish I haven't made for a long time. It's a potato stew with some minced meat, yeah? I have few pieces of potato here. Skin removed and cut into wedges, and of course, after you cut it, always soak it under water so that it doesn't get oxidized. Then I have probably about 100 grams of minced pork here. Then we have some fresh garlic minced, some spring onion for garnishing towards the end, and star anise, cinnamon stick, and also bay leaf. Then we have the Shaoxing wine, dark soya sauce, light soya sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, salt, and also sugar. So first, let's give it a little bit of vegetable oil here. I'm using palm cooking oil. Once the oil is heated up, we can actually saute the garlic a bit. By the way, you can marinate your minced meat using some soya sauce if you like. Once you start seeing the garlic started to brown, we can actually put in the minced pork. You can use minced chicken also, no problem. So we are going to saute the minced meat for a minute or two before we continue. Right, this is after about 1 minute sauteing. Next thing, I'm going to give you some Shaoxing wine. This will help to remove the gaminess, yeah, of the pork if any, and a few dashes of white pepper. Same reason. Ooh, very fragrant. Now we can add some filtered water. Give it some premium light soya sauce. Dark soya sauce for the color. Oyster sauce for umami flavor. You can put in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder also, yeah, for those who have it. Some fine salt. Followed by a similar amount of fine sugar, the dried spice, then we can now put in the potato, and let's bring this to a boil. Actually, this dish is almost done already. Once it is boiling, I'm going to cover it with a lid tuned down to medium-low fire and let it simmer for 18 to 20 minutes, yeah? Because I know this potato will take that long. The more starchy potato will probably only take about 15 minutes. So this one, close to 20 minutes. So this is after simmering under medium-low heat for approximately 20 minutes. You can starch it if you like. I'm not going to do so. Let me see if the potato is fully cooked. Yep, the potato is fully cooked. Right, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.